despite the fact that Pirates are lying second now, I'll maintain and not change and not move and not budge and not even think twice that Pirates will win the league this season.
Alright guys, welcome to Tiskita. Remember to give it a like, remember to subscribe. Before Sikulumang or Ethan Chislet ready to explode against TS Galaxy, a game that we could see Ethan Chislet coming into his own. Right guys, we'll also talk about our naughty boys, Kaizer Chiefs naughty boys. Oh, Wandile Duba, no Tabiso Monyane. Right, and also before we get into that, Mamelodi Sundowns iyadlala lapha Africa, so let's wish them well in terms of getting that 3 points. And yeah, it's the semi-finals, and now it's a knockout. Sorry guys, no longer 3 points. It's a knockout game, and Mamelodi Sundowns reaching their third semi-final in a row. And yeah, the experience of Mamelodi Sundowns, we need to give them props. Remember to give the video a like, remember to subscribe. Heads off to Mamelodi Sundowns. Big ups to them for being able to maintain the PSL title surge on the verge of their 9th league title and also their second star. So yeah, it's not going to be easy for Mamelodi Sundowns. We know that last season they were also in this stage of the tournament and they managed to go to the final and they lost against Pyramids. But Pyramids are no longer there in this edition. The defending champions are out. Mamelodi Sundowns are poised. Everybody is looking at Mamelodi Sundowns. Gutibazo winner Easter Sabo Sobabili. So Africa yonke ibheke Mamelodi Sundowns, but they are not playing against a small team. This is 4-time champions. This is Cardoso's former team. So Mamelodi Sundowns, if they, I'm sure they'll be professional already. They are there in Tunisia already. They're acclimatizing, and they shows that the level of planning and the level of experience of Mamelodi Sundowns competing in that space in Africa in the CAF Champions League. It shows that they're a big team. You saw the rankings. Mamelodi Sundowns ranked 101st in the world. They are ranked above the likes of Newcastle United. So Mamelodi Sundowns deserve isishayeleni ihlombe bafethu. So yeah, they are on the verge of becoming African champions and winning that double. I know some of you guys, but yeah, guys, that's not the way to go. Let's support the South African team. Yeah, they've done well, also contributing to Bafana Bafana. So yeah, guys, that is Mamelodi Sundowns. Watch out for them tonight against the Esperance. I predict a 1-1 draw, and Mamelodi Sundowns coming back to South Africa to wrap it up. So yeah, guys, Mamelodi Sundowns, they have the experience in Africa and they will show for it. Right, guys, as being like Orlando Pirates dropping points, very much disappointing. We were all hoping that the league title is going to go to the last day, but it looks like Orlando Pirates have just handed Mamelodi Sundowns the league on a silver platter. So what is your opinion? What is your thoughts? Drop your thoughts on comments. Bafethu, let's give it a like. Let's remember to subscribe as well. The channel is Okula. And Izikipa Zenu Bafethu, I will let you know. Izikipa Maseng is Odile. Those of you who are looking for t-shirts, I will let you know. Mawakona ama t-shirts, guys. So Orlando Pirates ibonile dropping points against Richards Bay. Richards Bay ibanikezile i-warning yathi la mane nje uvele ufike nje uthatha ama-points. Kaizer Chiefs iyazi bathi ebuzani ikhosi bathi bona yethi nasilona ikhosi. So yeah, guys, you saw Richards Bay almost defeating Orlando Pirates 2-1, but Orlando Pirates doing well. Is it a point gained or is it 2 points lost? We heard, if you didn't hear what the coach said, this is what he had to say.
They can't bank on us because we have got their own machine, they've got their own machine. But we always emphasize on our players that no one must come out here. And that's the slogan for every team that you are playing against. That's why you only lost one game against Obit, we league. So it's difficult to beat us here because we are not only playing for ourselves, our supporters have been hungry for my matches here. So when they come here, they must get something from us. Because Nati, it feels good to Gala in front of our supporters after a long time. For whatever that we do, we're doing it for our supporters.
Thank you so much, Coach.
Abdesalam Wadi joins me now. Coach, take me through your thoughts on the 90 minutes. I mean, to go down with a goal like that, it no doubt would have been a gut punch. But for your team, how did you see the contest as a whole?
We knew that it would be difficult here. We know every time when we come here, or the game that we played against Richards Bay, it's all the time very short. We knew that it will be difficult. When you concede one goal and after you come back, you equalize. It's the first time I think that we concede the second goal like that, and after we come back, the guys, they did everything to come back to win that game. I think there is a little bit of disappointment because I think it's 2 points that we lost in this race, but the guys fight until the end. Let's work until the end. Like I said, a lot of people can think that it's over, but we don't think like that. We have to play our game until the end. But today, yes, I think our strength was not to concede goal, to have a lot of clean sheet. But today, unfortunately, this area was a little bit weak. And when you come here, when you concede 2 goals, it's very difficult to score 3.
Yeah, Bafethu, that is a sad situation. I was hoping with the Pirates is going to push Mamelodi Sundowns all the way. In my opinion, I was wrong. I thought Orlando Pirates are going to win this title race. But yeah, it looks like Mamelodi Sundowns will be winning their 9th title. So bekuzova ngcono, Pirates is winele i-league, Sundowns win i-Champions League. But maybe it's for the best ngoba manje nawo umsindo anomsindo labantu. So maybe just maybe it's for the best ukuthi bangayiwini nale league, because they were already making noise. That is the loud neighbors, that is Orlando Pirates. Ningolele mapagania, ningangithuki lapha kuma comments. Hadi mapagania. Right, guys, that is Orlando Pirates messing up and giving Mamelodi Sundowns the league on a silver platter. What do you think of the title race? Is it still on? We see that Kaizer Chiefs still have to play Orlando Pirates, and Orlando Pirates, they can't afford to drop points. And Orlando Pirates, if they think this derby is going to be the same against the last derby, I think this derby is going to be different. Bafethu, Kaizer Chiefs, their squad is stronger now, and they will not want to lose to Pirates twice in a row. And I'm sure the likes of Abo Bobi, the likes of Keza Mutawong, and even Dr. Mutawong himself will have a word with the players, because in the last 3-0 loss, they gave a very pathetic performance. So this time around, they owe it to the fans, because that performance, even Sibonile Laphayana, the fans going to Naturena, it was not a nice thing to see. And Kaizer Chiefs players, they need to take ownership. They need to take that into account. They need to be accountable for their performances, and they need to show a better showing in this derby, and it will be a different ball game. That is why I'm saying Orlando Pirates is enkingeni Bafethu, because they're going to face a completely different animal in Kaizer Chiefs this time. So Orlando Pirates, have they messed up? I think so. But Mamelodi Sundowns still have to play Kaizer Chiefs twice, and that is not going to be an easy games for Mamelodi Sundowns. I showed you their last 7 fixtures. If you didn't see them, I'll put them on the screen for you now. That is Mamelodi Sundowns' last fixture. So angeke sithi Sundowns seyiwinile. However, due to their experience, Sibonile Laphayana under Rulani, Mamelodi Sundowns, they only lost 1 game the entire season, and this season as well they've only lost once. But yeah, Miguel, there was some games or parts of the season Laphayana fans bebamfuna hambe. He wasn't really convincing, let's be honest. But now it looks like Mamelodi Sundowns, they are in 5th gear, just going into 6th gear, and they looks like they are a level above the rest of the other teams in the PSL. Credit to Orlando Pirates for pushing them all the way. It's not I wouldn't say Orlando Pirates are out of the title race. However, the title is Mamelodi Sundowns to lose. So yeah, big ups to Orlando Pirates for making it an interesting title race this season. Yeah, sizobona-ke bafethu ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani mayibuya lapha e-Africa i-Mamelodi Sundowns, because maybe the fatigue factor mangabe Cardoso, it will all depend on Cardoso. Is he able to manage the squad? Ukuthi i-fatigue ingaba affect ku-PSL. That will also be a factor that we need to mention. Guys, remember to give it a like, remember to subscribe as well. And also Reinaldo Lina, I hear that they're on far post Bamlinka with the Orlando Pirates. What do you think of Sipo Chain's performances of late? Party na I Shaiza Vuma, same WhatsApp group. But another your coach goalkeeper we lokhuzana bafethu we Richards Bay. That one is not make sure. Vuma iloya we Richards Bay no chain same WhatsApp group. So yeah, Orlando Pirates being linked with Reinaldo Lina for this transfer window above Mbele last season. We saw at the beginning of this transfer window, Bebamlinka and the Kaizer Chiefs, that move didn't materialize, and I don't think Kaizer Chiefs are looking to replace Peterson, but we know that Ufia Krintwari, he could be leaving the Kaizer Chiefs. I will do a next show, a proper show on the players that are leaving the Kaizer Chiefs, my exits. And I will also tell you about those players in the next show. So please, guys, remember to watch the show, turn on the notifications so that when I make a video, you are able to see it on your phone. I don't know, for those who are watching on their tellies. Right, guys, as Kulmen ngaso i-starting lineup se-Kaizer Chiefs siphume lapha ku-title race, i-Pirates ibonile isibhayizele bafethu. There's nothing we can do about that. Kaizer Chiefs versus TS Galaxy promises to be a humdinger. Kaizer Chiefs are running their own race. Now, Kaizer Chiefs, now I'm a fixture wise. It's not exactly an easy list of fixtures, so they need to bring their A game against the TS Galaxy. With TS Galaxy Shawe Pirates 6-0, they need to play their own game. They need to bring their A game. That is the Kaizer Chiefs. They want to improve. They are beginning to score goals. They need to shut the back door. That is why I have made a couple of changes to the lineup. Last game, we saw the last game, Kaizer Chiefs in the first 15 minutes, first 20 minutes, they were not really convincing. Orbit College scoring first, and it could have been a totally different outcome. So that is why I've made a few changes in this game. Peterson, he goes back to goal. That is, Peterson is recovered from that appendix surgery. Benayo, he's back in training. I'm throwing him straight into the lineup. Bruce Vuma, he hasn't been convincing. Thabiso Monyane, sex champion, nyamfaka laphayana, same WhatsApp group, crime in partner yakawandile, aka crime in partner yakawandile Duba, Fede, body. Yeah, in terms of football, I think he played well in this last game. That is what it warrants for him to start this game. We know that Reeve Frosler, he is back, but I will start with Monyane for this game. Reeve Frosler, I don't think he has the match fitness. He's been out injured for the whole season. No Solomons now, Ulimelu Mapusman, Pretu Bara is injured, guys. That just to give you an update for those of you who are wondering why ngafaka Solomons is scheming. Right, Miguel is back from suspension, and then he will go straight into the lineup. Sometimes he is questionable, Miguel, but we know that when he is in the lineup, Kaizer Chiefs, they have kept more clean sheets with him in the lineup. Msimang, he goes back to the bench. I wasn't convinced with his performances in that first half against Orbit College, but he certainly did improve Msimang in the second half. But I have Miguel and I have McCarthy as a center pairing. Remember, guys, Lokuzana, he is back. That is South African international Roshun Dotli. So Roshun Dotli, I will have him on the bench as well. Should McCarthy perform uDotli ukuthi angene. Then Bradley Cross uyangena, slots in at left back. That is a no-brainer. In the midfield, I also have I've made a change. because I saw that in the last game the Orbit College bezindlulela kamnandi nje lapha enesiswini uMabowe angekho umuntu omncedisayo. So I think uMthethwa he deserves to start this game just to solidify izinto lapha enesiswini kube nomuntu oshaya the dirty work for uMabowe. I will start him. He's been won 3 consecutive man of the matches. Mabowe also raising his hand to go to the World Cup with South Africa based on current form. What do you think about that? And also, Mbatha ulimele, he's playing with an injury, so it could open other opportunities for other players to get into the squad. Yeah, Bafana. So if there is an injury laphayana in the midfield, I think uMabowe angazithola aya laphayana ku World Cup with South Africa. If the football gods namadlo zakhe hamba naye bafethu, certainly he's done the job on the field of play. So in the midfield I will have uMabowe, I'll have uLokhuzana, uMthethwa, and in front of them the guy that is ready to explode, that is Ethan Chislett, the former Wimbledon player, 27-year-old player. He has acclimatized, he has adapted to South African football, and I think maybe I think besisibuza ukuthi why amacoach angamfaki uChislett, but bathe mabaqala ukumfaka sabona his qualities. He's able to combine with his players. He's got excellent vision. He's got the right attitude. He's got the hunger. He's eager to impress, not in a bad way, in a good way. And yeah, the only thing that is missing in his game is Guti a goal. And I'm happy that he's been taking shots at goal. Siambona Lapan is able to produce or force goalkeepers to make saves. So you need a player like that. He's very much similar to Usirino. Guys, watch out for the next show. I'll talk about players that are likely to leave Kaizer Chiefs, and Sirino is on that list, unfortunately. Chislett is going to play this game. He starts alongside uMabowe. He starts alongside uLokhuzana, uMthethwa no Mabowe. Right, the front line laphayana I have Wandile Duba, uSexcharo. Umfana I'm not going to entertain the things that he's doing outside the field. He is only a human being. Majimbos anjalo bafethu I'm out. So yeah, I'm not here to judge anyone. I'm here to talk about football. I think what the coach can just do with Wandile Duba is just to call him into the office and try to speak to him man to man, because these things that they do off the field, it can affect their careers. So he just needs to give him a wake-up call, man to man. That is Wandile Duba. And also I have Ushabalala ahead of Modi. He's been on and off, not really impressing. I think he's probably might be one of the players leaving Kaizer Chiefs at the end of the season. So Modi, I think he needs to raise his game if he gets a chance. He is not scoring, he's not assisting, and as a forward player, a player edlala kule position adlala kuyo, that's what he needs to be doing. He needs to be making assists, he needs to be scoring goals, and he's not doing that, Umodi. So that is why I have Ushaba. I prefer having Shaba. Ushaba, I know that he is missing a lot of chances, but Ushaba, he at least is getting into those goal scoring positions, and he is making assists. And he scored in this last game, and his last 2 games, you can see that he's been working on his game. He's been working with Majoro on his finishing, and he scored in his last game. But he did miss a sitter before he scored. So Ushaba, I have him alongside Lilepo. Lilepo comes in ahead of Da Silva for that position. And yeah, excuse the lighting, guys. It's getting a little bit darker. Let me just try and adapt the lighting. Lilepo gets into that position. He starts alongside Uduba Nomdu Shabalala. That is the lineup I have for Kaizer Chiefs, guys. I need to fix the lighting. I'm done with the video anyway. Make sure you watch the next one. Remember to give it a like. Remember to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Cheers. Bye-bye.
I do love Wandile. No, I do love him. Even when he posts his girlfriend, I even muted his statuses. He was supposed to be my baby daddy. He was supposed to be my baby daddy. But you know what the problem is with this guy? He has kids everywhere. So Wandile Duba. Kaizer Chiefs thinks we drink Savannah, we drink Astropias, and we're like, these girls have chilled with Dubai and everything. So now they have experience at Kaizer Chiefs.
Show me, did they buy the Astro Pass?
They did not. Let me tell you, they brought like